Okay, welcome to week two, lesson eight. And today we will talk about simple requests and politeness. Request ካብ ሓደ ሰብ ገለ ነገር ክትሓትት ከለኻ ማለት እዩ። ሓገዝ፣ ገንዘብ፣ ሓበሬታ ዝኾነ ነገር ማለት እዩ። እንታይ ንብሎ?
Requests.
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 Very good. politeness ከዓ ትሕትና ማለት እዩ። ክትዛረብ ከለኻ ብትሕትና ትዛረብ ክትሓትት ከለኻ ብትሕትና ትሓትት ክትምልስ ከለኻ ብትሕትና ትምልስ ከለኻ politeness ንብሎ
Politeness.
simple requests
Simple requests
and politeness.
and the politeness.
Very good. So ቅድሚ ናይ ሎማዓንቲ ክላስ ምጅማርና ሓተካ ብዛዕባ ናይ ትማል ሕቶታት እቲ ሲስተም ዝሰርሕ ኣሎ ድዩ ክንብል ተለይልና እንታይ ንብል?
Is it working, the system?
انت هلا ايش شيء من تعرى اللي هذا؟
Is it working, the system?
Is the system working?
Is the system working?
Very good. Is the system working? Very good. Okay. موبايلي فيلم نمر أي تكمل ترى لها.
I use my phone.
I use my phone. ها.
Watched videos.
كده جماعة.
Watched videos.
كلها مليت سنتنس.
I use my phone. Watched videos.
to log
I use my phone to watching videos.
to تلك هلو زي فيربواني هنا. watch it and بنينا. watch. I use my phone to watch video. كده جماعة.
I use my phone to watch video.
اوكي سكرين لابتوبي نسرح تكمل لا
I use my laptop to work.
I use my laptop to do work. Very good. Nice. So تيا to هيترفنا بدحريها نجدن verb one كتولو لا مايند حتى لينك كليك جبر نتا مصحف كتن ببعث دليها.
If you're reading the book, click the link.
خلينا ما استمرنا إيه. Click the link. Click
Click
on the link.
Okay. Click the link. Click on the link. Read the book.
To read the book.
To read the book. Click the link to read the book.
Click on the link
Click on the link
to read the book.
to read the book.
Okay. نت فايل كتروحوا تدليها نتا كمبيوتر كفتح تقدر لها. Open
the
computer.
Open the computer
to get
the files.
Good. Open the computer
to get the files.
To get the files. Okay. Okay. So تماريستا نقام اللي هلا زعما simple request and politeness vocabulary كان بينا مجمرة.
Okay.
still عبوتا سرح نتكلم لهم politeness هنا هنريك عبوتا سرح. Number 1 send مسداد مالتي send مسداد message تسدد send جنزب تسدد send مسداد مالتي. Okay. Number 2 explain مقلات مالتي مقلات explain ንኣብነት ኣነ ነዚ ክላስ ይገልፆ ኣለኹምሽ ኤክስፕሌን ይገብር ኣለኹ ምግላፅ ማለት እዩ ኤክስፕሌን
explain
ንሓደ ነገር ሲ እቲ ትዛረቦ ዘለካ ሰብ ከም ዝርድኦ ጌርካ ክትገልፆ ከለካ next one repeat
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 very good ምድጋም ማለት እያ repeat ካ
repeat
repeat ምድጋም ማለት እያ next one file
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 very good ፋይል ከዓ ዝኾነ ዶክመንት ናትካ ማለት እዩ ኣብ ኮምፒውተር ዝተቐመጠ ክኸውን ይኽእል እዩ ወላ እውን ብወረቐት ፕሪንት ዝኾነ ፖስታ ዝተቐመጠ ክኸውን ይኽእል እዩ ፋይል
file
okay next one document
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 very good so ፍልልየ ናይታ ፋይል ዶክመንት እንታይ እንድሕር ብወረቐት ኮይኑ ዶክመንት ንብሎ እንድሕር ፋይል ንብሎ ኣለና ከዓ ኣብ ኮምፒውተር ወይ ናብ ላፕቶፕ ዝተቐመጠ ብስእሊ መልክዕ ወይ ብሪካርድ መልክዕ ማለት እዩ እና ኣብ ኮምፒውተር እዩ ዘሎ ፅሑፍ ፋይል እዩ ዘሎ ፕሪንት ገይሮም ሰብፃኽዎ ግን እንታይ ኮይኑ ኣሎ document very good okay last one problem
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 very good problem ከዓ ፀገም ማለት እዩ ሽግር ኣብ ስራሕ ፀገም የጋጥመካ ሽግር የጋጥመካ ዘይትኽእሎ ነገር ይመፀካ sometimes ምሽ problem
problem
okay እዚኦም vocabulary ኢና ሎማዓንቲ ክንሪአን okay ስለዚ እዚኣ ገለ ስትራክቸርስ ክንሪኢና መጀመርያ ካብ ዝኾነ ሰብ ዝኾነ ብትሕትና ጌርና ክንሓትት ከለና እንታይ ኢና ንብል could you please
could you please
ስከላ could you please
could you please
could you please
could you please
ሽዑ ድሕሪ please verb ትመፅእ ማለት እዩ ንኣብነት እዚኣ ሕጂ ምልእቲ ሰንተንስ ኮይና ኣላ እስከንብባ
could you please send the photo files could you please send the files
nice could you please send the file ነቲ ፋይል ክትሰዶ ወይ ክትሰድለይ ትኽእል ዶ ሕጂ ብዚኣ verb እንታይ ኣላ ካብዛ ዘንበብከያ ሰንተንስ ዓይነት እያ verb send very good ሳብ ዝኾና ትቅየር ትኽእል እያ ማለት እዩ work eat drink go come እዮም ኩሎም verbs ክትክእዋ ይኽእል እዮም ሕጂ ካልእ ሰንተንስ ክሰርሓ ልደልየ could you please ኢልካ ትጅምር ኢኻ ማለት እዩ እንታይ ክትብል ደልየ ኣለኹ open the laptop
could you please open the laptop
very good could you please open the laptop ነታ ላፕቶፕ ክትከፍታ ትኽእል ዶ ብትሕትና ትሓቶ ኣለኻ ነቲ ሰብ ማለት እዩ እስከ ነታ ላፕቶፕ ክትዓፅዋ ትኽእል ዶ ትዓፅው ምዕፃው close ኢና ንብሎ
could you please close the laptop
very good could you please close the laptop ነታ ላፕቶፕ ትዓፅዋ ትኽእል ዶ very good ቁርብ ገንዘብ ክትበኒ ትኽእል ዶ give me some money
could you please give me some money
very good ቁርብ ገንዘብ ክትበኒ ትኽእል ዶ ማለት እያ እዚኣኻ ናይስ ስለዚ ብትሕትና ኩሉ ግዜ ክንሓት ከለና እንታይ ኢና ንጅምር could you please then verb ይመፅእ ማለት እዩ okay ካልአይቲ asking for help ሓገዝ ክንሓትት ከለና በዚኣ ክንከይድና can you help me with እስከበላ
can you help me with
can you help me with say ድገም ሃና
okay
ድምፂ ናተይ ሰሚዕኻ ምድጋም ኣይተንብቦ can you help me with very good ድሕሪኡ ድሕሪ እታ with እንታይ ክትመፅእ እያ noun ክትመፅእ እያ noun ማለት ስም ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ንኣብነት ሲ ሳይንስ ክትሕግዘኒ ትኽእል ዶ ክብል ተደልየ can you help me with science
can you help me with science
good maths ክትሕግዘኒ ትኽእል ዶ ክብተለልያ
Can you help me with maths?
with maths physics ክትሕግዘኒ ትኽእል ዶ ክብተለልያ
Can you help me with physics?
very good ስለዚ can you help me with ኢልካ ነቲ ነገር እቲ ዝደለኻዮ ሽም ተምፅኦ ማለት እዩ ኦኬ ስለዚ ሳይንስ ማትስ ክብሎ ፀናሕኩም ናውን እዩ ሽም ናይቲ ሳብጀክት ዝተፈላለየ ሳብጀክት እዩ እስኪ እዚኣ ኣንብባ
Can you help me with this problem?
very good can you help me with this problem እዚ ሽግር እዚ ዘጋጢሙኒ ዘሎ ሽግር ኣብ ፀገም ዝስ ክትሕግዘኒ ትኽእል ዶ ወይ ክትሕግዝኒ ትኽእል ዶ ማለት እዩ very good okay then next one ምስጋና showing gratitude ከላ
Showing gratitude.
ምስጋና ማለት እዩ gratitude ማለት ምስጋና ሓደ ሰብ ምስ ሓገዘካ ፅቡቅ ነገር ምስ ገበረልካ የጠንየለይ ትበሃል ማለት እዩ ተራይና ንኣብነት ሓንቲ መገዲ ኣላ thank you for ኢልና verb ing ወይ ከዓ noun መፅእ ንኣብነት thank you for እዚኣ ዘላ ራእያ thank you for explaining the file
Thank you for explaining the file.
verb ing thank you for explaining the file
Thank you for explaining the file.
explaining
Explaining. Thank you for explaining the file.
explaining
Explaining
the file good
the file.
Está explaining ዘላ sending ከይራ the same ግን thank you for the file
Thank you for sending the file.
sending the file
Thank you for sending the file.
okay thank you for እንጂ ከዓ ምቕባል receiving the file
Thank you for receiving the file.
very good nice thank you for opening the laptop
Thank you for opening the laptop.
very good thank you for helping me
Thank you for helping me.
helping me
Helping me.
thank you for helping me
Thank you for helping me.
very good እዚኣ ከዓ ምስጋና ክነመስግን ከለና ንጥቀመላ ማለት እያ very good ገዛ እንድሕር ኣጥሪዎ ፀኒሕካ ሓደ ሰብሲ ስለ ዘፅናኻዮስ thank you ክትሎ ከለካ እንታይ ትብሎ
Thank you for cleaning
very
the
good
house.
very good thank you for cleaning the house very good ስለዚ እንታይ እንታይ ርኢና polite request ብትሕትና ክትሓትት ከለኻ ሓገዝ ክትሓትት ከለኻ and showing gratitude okay ቀዳመይቲ the request ማለት
request.
ካብ ሓደ ሰብ ዝኾነ ነገር ክትሓትት ከለኻ ሓገዝ ገንዘብ ምኽሪ ሓሳብ ዝኾነ could you please ኢልካ ትጅምር
Could you please?
እስከንብባ ዛ example
Could you please explain these ideas?
እስከመውዳእታ ለንባ
Documents.
document ተንብብ ከለኻ ኣስተውዕል ብክስታይ ሃውሪ ክትከይድ የብልካ እቲኣ ቓል ትሪኣ ዘይትፈልጣ ትኾንካ ተሓተት ወይ እንጣጣፅይ
Could you please?
Could you please explain this document? This document is ክገልፀለይ ትኽእል ዶ ማለት እያ okay ስለዚ ኣብዚኣ verb 1 ኢና ንጥቀም ካልኣይቲ the support ሓገዝ ክትሓትት ከለኻ እስኪ ንብባ እዚኣ
Can you help me this computer problems?
okay Can you help me with this computer problem?
Can you help me this computer problem?
Can you help me with this computer problem?
Can you help me with this computer problem?
Very good. زها حاجز محتاجة عمود أتا gratitude دولنا ناي مسكنا اسكزي عم بابا.
Thank you for expressing Thank you for expressing the document
explaining
explaining
ترجمة الله.
Thank you for explaining the document.
Very good. Thank you for explaining the document. The document ስለዚህ ገለጽ ካለይ የመስክነካ ኣለኹ ማለት እያ። Very nice. Good. Okay. እስከ ብትሕትና ፋይል ስለደለይ ክንብል ከለና እንታይ ንብል ሓሳብ
Could you please send the files?
Very good. Could you please send the file? Very good. Then ካለይቲ ሓገዝ ክትሓትት ከለካ ንሓደ ፕሮብሌም ኣብዚ ፕሮብሌም እዚስ ክትሕግዘኒ ትኽእል ዶ ትብል ከለካ ንሓደ ሰብ
Can you help me the open computers?
No, problem እታ ፀገም ሽፍንታ problem.
Can you help me the laptop?
Laptop ገለ ዲቴይል የለን just problem ዘላት.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Can you help me with this problem?
With this problem.
እስከበላ one more time.
Can you help me with this problem?
Very good. Can you help me with this problem? እዚኣኻ ሓገዝ ክትሓትት ከለኻ ማለት እያ። ሳልሰይቲ ኤክስፕሌን ስለ ዝገበሩልካ ከተመስግኖም ከለኻ ነቲ ፋይል ኤክስፕሌን ስለ ዝገበርኩልካ ከተመስግኖም ከለኻ ሜርካ ተመስግኖም እንታይ ትብል?
Thank you for sending
ምግላፅ እንታይ እዩ? ኣብዛ ናይ ሎማዓንቲ ተማሃርናዮ ሰንድ ምስ ዳደ ምግላፅ ስለ ዝገለጹልካ ከተመስግኖም ከለኻ Thank you for explaining
this topic.
File.
Thank you for explaining these files.
Very good. Thank you for explaining these files. Nice. Okay. Excuse me, number one. Then I'm screen the law.
And then right. Okay. Could you please explain this computer?
MLS inherit.
Could you please explain this documents? Can you help me? Can you help me with this computer problems? Thank you for sending this. The link is it working now?
Yeah, the beginning. Thank you for sending the link.
Okay, thank you for sending the link. Is it working now?
full stop تطوق تلالك. ترجم house and have full stop تلك تطوز شو هم بعد تجمي full stop ترى له هذا زهر اللينك
Allah.
كم ببعده thank
Thank
you
you for sending this link. The link is this working now?
is it
Is it working now?
هي معناتها زي حتى ما يعني
إذا تسرح حجة تسرح على
جيت تسرح على very nice very good okay okay good so do you have any question from today's class asking request polite request asking for help and gratitude showing gratitude
Gratitude.
مسكانة thank you for explaining the file thank you for sending the file thank you for opening the computer gratitude saya مسكانة
مسكانة.
okay do you have any question
I don't have questions.
okay so these are the three structures could you please send the file can you help me with this problem and thank you for explaining the file زين التي verb نغيرك ብዙሕ sentence ክትሰርሕ ትኽእል ኢኻ thank you for sending thank you for cooking thank you for cleaning thank you for eating and so on okay so class 8 lesson 8 week 2 همزي ودينا لنا we will meet tomorrow with lesson number 9